Hello YouTube. Today I'll show you my first bushcraft axe. I'm talking about an axe from Walther, and the axe is that one right there. This is how the axe came from them. It is with this sheath that is a very good sheath, a very sturdy one. We have ballistic nylon on the outside. We have these snaps that are very secure, and we have these little snaps that keep the sheath in place. Also, all around we have this ribbon that is sewn from here to here, and that make the sheath very sturdy. In the inside, I'll show you, we have some foamy material that keep us from feeling the hardness of the axe. The solution of the axe is something like that. We open this strap and this snap. We open also these two snaps, and now we can get the axe out of the sheath. In the inside, the sheath looks like that. It is very well made, very resistant, and on the back side we have this loop that permit us to carry the axe on our belt if we want to do so. The solution is not a very good one, but is a solution. The axe is inside. We cannot be hurt by the blade, and also the blade is protected from outer elements. Now, for the axe itself, we have a full tang axe. The handle is plastic molded on the tang. This is very visible here on this lanyard hole. The metal is visible in this area, and also I can tell you that the axe is very heavy. If we have metal only here, the axe would be very light, but also the axe would be also very unbalanced. All the weight would be here. We can say now that the axe is good balanced, and that's because the handle is also metal. The tang of the axe is just over here. The iron of the axe is very slim, but it widens here. That makes the axe very good to cut wood, to split wood. And also here we have this pommel that allows us to use the axe as a hammer, to hammer in peg tents or anything else. The handle is very well thought, in my opinion. You can see we have all sorts of indentation, all sorts of little drawings, all sorts of inlay that make this handle very comfortable. We can take it and keep it like that. We can use it like that. We can use it like that. You see, there's a little indentation here. We can use it like that. we can use it also like that, and also from here, and finally we can use it from here to do finer tasks. The most part of the handle is plastic, but this part, and this one, these parts, and also here, it is rubber that added to the shape of the axe makes this axe to be very, very, very comfortable to hold in the hand. This protection, to call it like that, and this lanyard was added from a friend of mine that I borrowed the axe for use. I let it to sit there. I didn't take it off, but probably I will. The axe did not need this kind of thing. The handle will not bend because it's metal, and also this plastic polymer handle also will not need the protection. As you see, this part here is sharp, that can prevent the damage from the wood that is split. But this is very good. This leather strap, I think it is very good when we use the knife, the axe like this, because this sharpened part did not bother us at all. The axe is very, very comfortable to work with, but is a little too heavy for my taste. I use it only when I go camping with my car. I never use it when I go camping with my rucksack only, my backpack. The iron, the steel of the axe is carbon steel. It is protected, it is coated with this black coating. It is very resistant. I like it. I use quite a lot this axe, and the coating is still there. I have also a little chip right here, and another one right here. The axe is the steel of the axe is a little bit softer, I think, but is no problem because we can sharpen it very, very, very easy. The particularity of this axe is that we not have the cutting part of the blade is not centered, and even we have the cutting part there that starts on this side of the axe and finishes on this side, is diagonally from here to here. It is not on the center and along the center. This is very handy because every part of the blade hits the wood. It is used cutting part, but is a little bit difficult to sharpen. That's all for this axe. I think is a good axe. I think is a useful axe because we can use it not only as an axe but as a hammer also. And for beginners, for the people that are not very interested in working with axes with wooden handles and so on, it is a good alternative for Fiskars axes. This is all for today. A good week to you all.